Hi and Assalamu alaikum. Welcome back once again to Technology Information Channel. Today we are going to talk about the Caterpillar EM10. This means excitation modules. It's used in a Caterpillar C15 model, C18 model, and most of time this modules coming in a permanent magnet generator excitation system. Okay. Today we are going to explain the wiring connection and diagram of the EM10 excitation module. So before starting the video, a small request to all newcomers. If you are first time on my channel, please make sure to subscribe and hit the bell notification to getting more latest update videos. So let's get started. Okay, as you can see, this is the EM10 Caterpillar excitation module. It's most of time it is used in a uh, permanent magnet generator, which have separately permanent magnet generators. Okay, so let's move to check out the wiring connections. This is the block diagram in the size dimensions. Okay, now as you can see here, this controller is most of time installed with the EMCP 4.3 and 4.4. Okay, 120 pin connector and sometimes EMCP 4.1 and 4.2 70 pin connectors. Okay, the connection is very simple. As you can see, this side X2, Z1, X1, Z2. Okay, this three wire is coming from the permanent magnet generators. Okay, as you can see here, the Z1 is empty and this 3 is for the permanent magnet generators. Okay, and the bottom two connection, if positive and negative, as you can see, this is coming from the excitation field wiring. Okay, F1, F2, or sometime X1 double X, or sometime uh, F plus and F minus. Okay, as you can see, and the left side connection, as you can see here, from the EMCP 4.3, 4.4, pin 19, pin 28 and pin 8 is coming to this connection, CS plus and shield. Okay, and EMCP 4.1 and 4.2, this connection is coming from pin 60 or 65 splice, and also the pin 68, which is positive, and pin 60 or pin 65 battery negative splice. Okay, this is the all connection of the this EM10 excitation module. Okay, as you can see here, we can manually increase and decrease the excitation system from this small potentiometers. Okay, if you want to install this controller on non-excitation generators, okay, let me show you the another diagram to you. This is the Caterpillar C15 model generators. Let me show you the diagram. Wait. As you can see here, this one is a voltage regulator. Okay, as you can see, mention on it EM10. Okay, this pin 1 and pin 2 AC5 connector, as you can see, this two wire is going directly to the, and if we follow this wire, is going to directly to exciter. Okay, if we follow AC6, as you can see, this 4 wire, only only 1 and 3 is going to directly, as you can see here, the 2 wire is missed, and only 2 wires, pin number 2 and pin number 4, is going to the connect to the alternator T9 and T12. Okay, this is for non-permanent magnet generators. Okay, and simply with the EMCP 4.1 and 4.2, as you can see, the AC4 connectors, pin 2 and pin 3, as you can see, directly going to the generators controllers digital output number 2. Okay, so I hope to watch this video and little bit understand about it. If you have further any question, any problem, please write comment below in comment section. I will make you a video for you. Thanks for watching. See you all next time, and